Hey guys, in this video I will show you a must-have plugin if you are onto making lo-fi music, and it's pretty cool. If you're not even making lo-fi music, I think it's something you would really interested. Alright, so yep, the link will be mentioned in the description. It will lead you to this iZotope website. It's a free plugin. They provide you with the direct link right here, and you can also check this video out, to help you get started. And you have all the awesome information, okay, and you also have demo songs right here. You have to provide your email address and sign up to download this plugin. So guys, this is how the plugin looks, and let me quickly show you the presets, how it sounds. So this is how the beat sound without this plugin on. Now I'll switch on the plugin, okay. So the noises, the scratches that you are hearing, it's coming within this plugin itself, okay. This plugin is meant to produce those scratches sounds, okay. So yeah guys, this is a must-have plugin for lo-fi producers, and it's pretty cool. It's a must-have plugin, and it's worth checking out. So you can also select the year of the effect. It's pretty sick. Like here it's a knob for the year, so 2090, 1918, and in 50. It's pretty cool. And here you have got the sound, leveling up, scratch and dust and noise. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you like this plugin and download it, have fun, make hits. Just make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, guys. Peace out. I'll see you in the next video.
I gave you my heart.